Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. I'm going to be doing something a little different. I just did a cognac cucumber collagen essence mask. I've already removed it. I worked all day, so I figured I'm going to do a little unboxing with you, but I'm going to do my evening skincare. So I'm going to start out. Let me read these to you because it's nighttime. I'm going to be using the ordinary caffeine solution 5% and yeah, caffeine solution 5%. And then I'm using the ordinary multi-purpose HA serum, a multi-technology peptide formula for skin support. I can't read what's all in here, but this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do that. I like the caffeine. This is the caffeine serum around my eyes. It does help with depuffing them. And it doesn't seem to be temporary. So there's that. That's all I use that for. I use about that much serum. Maybe not quite that much. Now, if this was tomorrow night, and I know a lot of people say that these don't help, but I love the way it feels on my skin. So I love using the roller. It's nice and cool. It's relaxing. Now usually I do this for about 10 minutes because it is so relaxing. But for your sake, I'm just going to do it that much. So I've been using this Paula's Choice Hydrating Treatment Mask with borage oil. Looks like that. And it says hydrates dry flaky skin, fortifies the protective moisture barrier, calms, soothes sensitive skin. And you're to use it as the last thing after all your serums. And it's fragrance free, never animal tested. And I am noticing a difference that my skin's not as dry as it's been. And this is all I use. A little, even that might be a little bit too much. But I don't put it on my eyelids. I go under my eye. Just because, I don't know. I just don't. I don't like it on my eyelids. I mean, definitely my neck, though, for sure. I am noticing a difference, though, because my skin was so chapped from this crazy weather we've been having with the freezing temperatures. And even though it's starting to warm up now, I still feel like I have that, like, winter itchy skin. You know what I mean? So, now, I leave it sit. I don't go and lay right down on my bed because it's still like tacky. But I'm going to say 5 minutes. It's soaked in. So that's what my evening skincare routine looks like. So I got a box. I took the label off. I opened it to make sure nothing was damaged. But it is the Nomad cruise palettes. I went ahead and I got the bundle, and I'll read you the card, and then I'll show you what I got. I'm sure you guys seen it 100 times because I've seen it 100 times. All aboard, voyage with us to follow endless horizons, drift through, oh my goodness, crystalline waters, and and book on magical moments of seas of yes. I don't know. We hope our cruise collection, I can't read that writing, maybe inspires you to explore. I cannot read that writing. Anyway, new Nomad Cruise Collection, the destination. Our cruise collection invites you into a dream of sun-kissed freedom where the breeze is warm, water endless, and time drifts by softly. Sailing between busy ports and quiet coves, life on board unfolds in the slow mornings, sun-drenched afternoons, and sparkling evenings. This is a voyage through color, shimmer, and unforgettable memories. Drifting, never lost. The collection with magnetic palettes to mix and match, Aurora Cruise Shimmer Palette, is 15 radiant shimmers and duochromes inspired by glittering coastlines, shifting seas, and dancing lights on the horizon. Coastal Cruise Matte Palette, 15 luxurious and velvety mattes inspired by nautical tones, natural hues, and coastal colors. Sunrise and Sunset Cruise Gradient Highlighters, 2 gradient duochrome highlighters featuring rosy hues of the sunrise and golden bronzes of the sunset. And Nomad always does a cause, contributes. The cause is we're proud to support Ocean Conservancy and their work to keep our oceans healthy and thriving. And I can normally read cursive because I write in cursive. There's just a few of the words where it's just really small. So most likely it's not them, it's me because I can't see it. Alright, so like I said, I did open these to make sure nothing was wrong. They were all wrapped in this paper. I mean wrapped. So what do we want to start with? Let's start with the highlighters. So we got Sunset Cruise. Package looks like that. And this is a duochrome shimmery highlighter. Looks like that. Let me put the wax paper up. And this is what she looks like. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. And I'm not a highlight wearer normally, so we'll see. This might be a giveaway. I don't know. All right, number 2 highlighter is Sunset. This one was, Sunset Cruise. Sunrise Cruise. This to me seems like a little bit more cool toned. All right. So there's that one. She's definitely pretty and Jeff definitely shifty. So there's that. All right. So we're going to do the matte palette first. I know a lot of people were saying like, oh, another matte palette, but these mattes are really pretty. I mean, so this is Coastal Cruise. This is what the outer carton looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. And these are magnetic pans. Look how beautiful. So what I think is you could lay out your mats and then your shimmers, do it however you want. I'm hoping that they'll start selling just the cases, and then you can mix and match. That would be fun. And this one's Aurora Cruise. The outer carton looks like that. And this is it. It's got some weight to it for sure. Wait till you see this, guys. It's also magnetic. Look at these shimmers. Like this one's shifty. See, it goes to purple, green, and in the pan it looks purple. This one seems to be shifting too. I can't really tell all of them. This one, see, it's like blue to pink to hot pink. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful palettes. So I'm looking forward to doing some looks with these. Let's see that one blue. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. And then the one beside it that's shifty, it looks purple when you're looking at it in the pan. See how, oh, there's gold. A little bit of green. And then the purple. Very cool. I'm not going to swatch them all because I don't want to wreck up the embossment. I know you buy them to use, right? But still, let's just keep it nice for a little while. Anyway, that is my video. I'm not going to bore you to death any further. This is a collab. There's a playlist down below. Please click that playlist. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. And I'm going to sit here and do this to my face for about 10 minutes. So go check out the playlist down below. Go check out what the other girls are doing today. And you have a great start to your week. Until next time, see you later. Bye.